Did you cut the apple?
Yes.
Yes. What else did you cut?
Yes.
The orange. Did you cut the orange? Huh? Did you cut the orange? Did you eat the orange?
Yes.
No? How about the apple? Did you wear a chef hat?
No, 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 no.
Did you love the school?
Yes.
Yay! You like to go to school again on Monday?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Did you cry on your school?
I love the man.
Did you cry?
Yes.
How did you cry? May I see your cry? Like that? Ah, like that yung cry niya siya? Alright. Say bye, teacher.
My teacher. My teacher.
Huh? Say bye, teacher.